Does active dry yeast really expire? I was cleaning out my spice cabinet and deep in the back I found 2 packages, e.g., 6 envelopes, of active dry red star yeast that expired in March 2009, 15 months ago as of writing this question. With the thought that dry yeast is basically freeze-dried and should have a decent shelf life, I proofed 1 envelope in warm water with some sugar to see if it really expires. It foamed right up, so it seems like the answer is, at least for 1 year after the marked date, no. Although in this case, does expired really mean less effective or will taste funny?
I've used yeast that was even older than yours, and although the taste of the resulting bread was fine, and it foamed up properly when tested, I found I had to use about 50% more of it to get the same density of the bread. In the end, I threw it out because it was too much trouble to experiment with it every time. Expired yeast will taste less, and rise less or not at all. I believe the expiration date is a conservative estimate for yeast stored sealed at room temperature to still rise reliably. If the storage environment is better and you're willing to test before every batch, and use more yeast if necessary, I don't see why you couldn't continue to use it.